Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we were up at a truck show winning an award. So this week we are back on the 454. So that was absolutely a blast of a show. Hopefully next year we can have the 454 and the C10 there and maybe we win not one but two awards. That would be so cool. Unfortunately there's no 454s up there other than what would be mine. But what we have this week is a lot of work to prep us and get us ready for next week. So this week we are going to try and get all the parts that we ordered onto the truck. So we have new oil cooler lines. We have to hook up some fuel lines to get power and fuel to the truck so that this thing can crank over for the first time. Now, I don't have some things that I need for this week, i.e., I don't have fluid for my transmission yet. So I need a lot of that. So yes, that's a lot. So I think it's going to be anywhere from 11 to 12 quarts to fill that transmission, which hopefully is perfectly sealed up so I don't lose any. And we have a lot of lines that need to go there. I have my lines that are sitting up over here for that need to go on the side of the transmission and come up to our radiator. We have to drop in the radiator. That's hopefully a this week job. So we have all the stuff up here with the wiring harness as well. I have some things to hook up and whatnot from there. So we have a lot of work to do. So we better jump in and get started. So I need to go ahead and also find my tape for the wiring loom because I want to tape a lot of this wires up so they don't look just like random wires hanging everywhere. Also, we did get a brand new hood release. So that's here. We want to start putting our grill together, which I need to take off the fan as that got damaged when the engine went through. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but we have a new bottom of our garage. So the clean spot, which is here, versus not clean, you can tell. But let's go ahead, start pulling out some of these parts and seeing where they need to go. So we also did find bolts that are going to fit in our center core support that fit to the body. So LMC had those, so we have the one that's up there at the top. Now we just need to start putting the rest of them in. Like that fits perfect. There's the one up here at the top as well, and that one fits perfect. So we'll show you that real quick. So you can see right there, that thing is perfect. We got to put one over there and one on the side, and that's all together. So you can see up there as well, there are our new oil cooler lines. So those need to get put in. We have a couple things to put in behind the engine and stuff like that. I also have the manifold right there that needs to get a bolt welded out of it. So drilled out and tapped so that it can go back in. And for now, go with the original exhaust. So we have a lot of work left to do up in this engine bay. But what we're going to do now is bolt in those couple of bolts. All right, so we have a lot of the hoses all hooked up for the radiator. We have our power steering cooler all hooked up. We need to hook up the transmission lines, but we are missing some parts. So we do need to get those which are local. Obviously, it's dark out today right now, so everything is closed because we have run out of time for today. We have a couple of lines that we need to pick up to hook up the final oil cooler lines for that. And the transmission cooler lines as well. But we are definitely moving in the right direction for both. So hopefully next week we'll be filling up the transmission, filling up the engine, putting the drive shaft in the truck, and switching out our oil or our fuel filter, just getting everything set and squared away. So I still need to work on that manifold to get that in the truck. And we're going to replace all this. I want to have the truck running with no grill and everything, just so that I can see and make sure everything moves and does as it should. We have a lot of stuff to do underneath the truck next week, as well as we need to hook up all of the transmission wires, harnesses, and the shifter linkage. So that needs to get set up. We have a lot of work left to do on this thing to get it where it needs to be. So I didn't find my wrap yet, so we didn't wrap any of the wiring, but a lot of parts have gone on the truck this week, although it doesn't seem as though. We have a lot of things left to hook up atop the engine as well. So hopefully by next week, we'll have all of that together, where maybe we can start filling stuff with oil and maybe kick it over for the first time, which would be a huge accomplishment, especially since this thing hasn't been running in almost 2+ years. So the engine is where it needs to go. Needs to start getting filled with oil, which we can't do yet because we have the oil cooler lines left to hook up. Once that's done, then I can start filling this bad boy with oil. I have a filter already. We're going to use some cheap oil just to start off with. That's okay. We're going to move up to the good stuff later on with the 10W30. So we have just some random O'Reilly's full synthetic, but that's what we'll just put in it to start it and run it for about, a couple hundred miles maybe. Let it run, let it get hot, let it work all its way it's in, and get everything cleaned out, and then change the oil. But that is where we're there. We have some hoses and whatnot to still hook up over here. Manifold to go on. Those trans cooler lines need to get put in. And just some odds and ends before everything up front is together. I need to get an upper radiator hose, some things for the water pump, just to get things situated so that that can get coolant. I still need to pull this off right here and fix the fan and the housing. Just unbend it so that I can put it back on. Just so that works. But that is going to be a wrap for this week's video. We have run out of time. It was a little bit of a short week, so we apologize for that. It's been a lot of running around getting ready for Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. It is going to be a couple days after by the time you guys see this. But that is a wrap for this week's video. We'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the 454. So we'll see you then.